Welcome to Magestic, the no-code app builder that helps you create a fully customized back-office application in minutes. In this video, we'll explore how you can connect WooCommerce with Magestic to create a powerful e-commerce management tool without writing a single line of code. WooCommerce is one of the most popular e-commerce platforms designed to help businesses of all sizes sell products and services online. With its robust API, WooCommerce allows you to manage everything from products and inventory to orders, customers, and analytics. By connecting WooCommerce to Magestic, you can create an intuitive, centralized dashboard to streamline your operations in just a few clicks. Let's take a quick look at some of the key WooCommerce models available and how you can use them within Magestic. The Products model allows you to view and manage your product catalog from pricing to stock status, keeping your listings up to date across platforms. The Orders model provides details on customer purchases, allowing you to track order status and manage shipments. The Customers model gives you access to customer information so you can organize contacts and analyze purchasing behavior. The Coupons model allows you to stay on top of discounts and promotions to drive sales. Each model can be configured to create list views, detailed views, and forms for updating or adding entries, giving you the flexibility to design your dashboard just the way you want. For more technical details on WooCommerce API models, check out the WooCommerce documentation online. Let's start by setting up a list view for your product catalog. This gives you a quick overview of all the items in your store. In build mode, create a new page and give it a name, like Products. Drag the data table component from the right side panel onto the canvas and rename it to something like Product Catalog. Next, head to the Data section, select WooCommerce as your API service, and choose Products List as your data source. Now, decide which columns to display. Add filters and pagination controls so you can quickly find specific products and navigate through your catalog. Arrange the columns and filters to suit your workflow and remove any unnecessary fields. Once you're happy with the layout, switch to View mode to see your product list in action, populated directly from WooCommerce. And that's it. You've just created a functional product catalog directly integrated with WooCommerce. Now, let's take it a step further by adding a detailed view for your products. This will let you see all the specifics about any item in your catalog. Back in build mode, drag the single entry view component onto the canvas and name it something descriptive, like Product Details. In the Resources list, select Products Single as your data source. Select the fields you'd like to display. Link this view to your products list so that selecting an item from the table automatically loads its details. For a cleaner interface, enable the View in Modal option. This will open the detailed view in a pop-up, keeping your layout tidy. Switch to View mode and test it out. Now, double-clicking a product from your catalog will display all its details in a sleek modal. Next, let's add a form for creating new customer entries. Switch to Build mode and drag the form component onto the canvas. Give it a meaningful name, like Add Customer. In the Resources section, select Customers Create as your data source. Add fields for customer details like name, email, phone number, and billing with shipping addresses. Rearrange the fields to make the form intuitive and remove any extras you don't need. Link the form to a customer's list view so that new entries appear in the list automatically. If needed, set the form to open in a modal by enabling the View in Modal option. Switch to View mode to test the form. Submitting it will create a new customer in WooCommerce. That's all it takes to add a new customer directly from your Magestic app. Sometimes you'll need to update information, like editing an order's status. Let's see how to create a form for that. In Build mode, drag the form component onto the canvas and name it Update Order. Under the Resources section, choose Orders Update as your data source. Add the fields you want to make editable. This might include order status, shipping details, or customer notes. Link the form to an orders list view so selecting an order automatically loads its details into the form. For a smoother workflow, enable the View in Modal option to open the form in a pop-up. Adjust the size and layout to keep things clear and concise. Switch to View mode and test the functionality. Selecting an order, editing its details in the form, and submitting it will update the order directly in WooCommerce. This feature ensures you can quickly modify order details right from your dashboard without switching tools. One of Magestic's strengths is its ability to bring multiple integrations together into a single app. Let's look at an example combining WooCommerce and Twilio. Imagine you're managing orders and want to send text message updates to your customers from the same page. Start by adding an orders list view to your app, showing purchases from WooCommerce. Then, drag in a form component and use Twilio's Messages Send as the data source to create a text message sending form. Below the form, include another data table using Twilio's messages list to display a log of all messages sent. Now, you have a unified dashboard where you can manage orders and send short text notifications with a log of all messages conveniently displayed. With Magestic and WooCommerce, you have the power to build a fully customized e-commerce management tool. Get started today and see how easy it is to create your own back-office app, all without writing a single line of code.